The problem statement is in the upper left corner. First, look to determine if there is a slider with that number on it. If yes, then move that slider to the on position. You are finished. The binary number is the top row of the bit board. If no, then what is the greatest number on a slider that is less than the decimal number you are converting? Lift that slider to the on position. Subtract the number on the sliders in the on position from the original decimal number. This new number is the difference. Use the difference to find your next sliders to move up to the on position. Continue this process until the sum of the sliders in the on position add up to the decimal number you are converting. That's your answer in the binary row. Press the Go button.